body here in this material world, in anxiety, chaos and anxieties. Every moment in a fearful condition, isn't it? Nobody is free from here. In this, we sang this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Mahajan song, says, Hare prapanche padiya ogati hoya nadeki upaya ogati ragati charane sarana tamare korinusar. This prapancha, this material world is called prapancha. Pancha means five. Five things are here. What is that? You know?
Color, time, and karma, jiva, Ishvara, Ishvara,
What form?
Paramatma form.
Paramatma, yes. Then
Kala, time, karma,
Kala means time. One thing.
then karma,
Yes,
Prakriti and material energy,
yes.
Jiva, and Ishvara.
Yes. Jivatma, Paramatma. Prakriti, Kala, Karma. Five things are here, therefore this is known as Prapancha. You understand? Prapancha. Prakriti, material nature. Follow me. Material nature is here. Illusory energy. Kala, time element is here. Past, present, future, always changing. Karma means fruitive activities. You understand? And Jivatma, Paramatma. These five things are here, that is known as Prapancha. In Vaikuntha Jagat, also there are five things. What are they? But that's not Prapancha. Bhagavan, Bhakta, Bhakti, Swarup Shakti, and eternal present time. These five things are there. You understand? There is Bhagavan, there is Bhakta, there is Bhakti. There is no Bhagavan, there is no Bhakta, no Bhakti. You understand? Jivatma, Paramatma. Karma, fruitive activities are there. So many material desires the body has. In order to fulfill material desire, they engage in so many varieties of activities. As a result, they are getting reactions of their karma. They have been suffering, and putting in all time, every moment, putting in fearful conditions. What will happen? Always in anxiety. You understand? Prapancha. There is Bhagavan, Bhakta, Bhakti, and Swarup Shakti. There is no material nature, no Maya there. That is Swarup Shakti. Understand Swarup Shakti? What is that Swarup Shakti? What is that?
Eternal form.
Internal energy, Shakti, that is not different from Swarup, that is Swarup Shakti. Or energetic, Shaktiman, and energy is own energy, internal energy, internal potency, that is Swarup Shakti. You understand? No Prakriti, no external energy, or no material energy there. And there is no time element. You understand? Kala is here. Time element is here in this material world. Past, present, future, always changing. Always changing. But there is only eternal present time, only present time. No past, no future. Understand my language? That is Vaikuntha Jagat. That means no time element. No, there is no change at all. Understand? Try to understand me. Here all changes. Every moment it changes. Yes, every moment it changes. It's time factor. And time is the great devourer. Yes, in course of time, it's all destroyed. And time is the most devourer. He devours. Time devours. In Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, when Krishna manifested, displayed, or showed his universal form, very fearful form, isn't it? Gigantic universal form. There's description in 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. To Arjuna. Arjuna became very much afraid. Became very much afraid. Bhita pranamya. Paying obeisance in the front side, back side, left side, right side. Cannot estimate where is beginning, where is middle, where is end. So